To trade on Jupiter Exchange, start by creating an account on their official website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to you by Jupiter Exchange. Once your account is verified, log into the platform and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your account balance, transaction history, and available trading pairs. To deposit funds, click on the Deposit button and select your preferred payment method. Jupiter Exchange supports various payment options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. After depositing funds, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Here, you will see a list of available trading pairs, including major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Select the trading pair you want to trade and click on the Buy or Sell button. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand the different types of orders available on Jupiter Exchange, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell an asset at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. A stop-loss order is an order to sell an asset when it reaches a certain price to limit losses. To minimize risks, it is crucial to set a stop-loss order when trading on Jupiter Exchange. This will help you limit your losses if the market moves against you. Additionally, it is essential to diversify your portfolio by trading multiple assets to minimize risks. Jupiter Exchange also provides a range of trading tools and indicators to help you make informed trading decisions. These include technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. It is essential to understand how to use these tools to analyze market trends and make profitable trades. Finally, it is crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. Jupiter Exchange provides a range of market analysis tools and news updates to help you stay informed. By following these steps and best practices, you can trade successfully on Jupiter Exchange and achieve your financial goals.